And here it goes. Ooh, it looked way worse than when it left. It's like all this was in place. Look at the tire. What is up, Slime Pack Nation? Listen, if you watched my previous video, the one about rebuilding slime, listen, I'm about to go out to the Copart yard right now and check out slime. I haven't seen my baby since this clip right here. So if you're watching this video, make sure you go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with, come back and leave your comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. So right now I'm in the car, and listen, I'm gonna do a $25 cash out giveaway to the first person who comment down below on what's my location, what town I'm in. If you follow me locally, then this should be kind of pretty easy for you. But $25 cash out, comment down below on which town I'm in. Like I said, I'm going to Copart, so that right there is a giveaway. I'm about maybe, I say about 7 minutes away from Copart. So yeah, $25 cash out to whoever gets it right first. Comment down below and make sure whenever you comment your answer, put your cash out tag. There goes Copart right there. Sing, baby, sing. So right now I'm pulling into Copart. Right there. So y'all, I'm out here at the Copart yard, and slime is actually right there behind me, but I'll wait to TK record his part first because, you know, I don't want to get emotional on his camera. And here it goes. Ooh, it looked way worse than when it left me.
You know, when the rust start getting in, when the paint, you know, it's oof. But I told you, this is not going to be difficult. It's not going to be hard to fix.
Look at this whole front end.
All of this is going to be replaced. We're going to pull this out. I might have to cut and weld just this one section, but this car, like when we're done with it, it's going to be like it never even happened.
It's like all this was in place.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the tire. It's bringing back old feelings. And I still got the key for you. I had just got these tires about maybe a month or two before it, I think. But yeah, y'all check out the old slime.
You want to try to fire it up?
The key inside?
Yep.
Stand behind me and record.
I got you. Hold on. All right. That cold start coming.
I took my pedal box off. But same license before. I can't remember, yo. This wasn't blue. This right here used to be red. So I don't know what that means.
How's it feel being back in the original slime?
Man, sad. So if you've never seen my wreck video before, here was all the damage done. 3 airbags came out. My rider was over here. My other rider, my brother, was in the back seat. The airbag, when it came out right here, it hit my face and my arm, I think. And this one right here, I didn't have no bruises or nothing on my leg, but I still got the scar right here on my arm, if you can see. And it kind of busted my lip just a little bit. Nobody else was hurt besides me. Like, I was emotionally hurt. As soon as the wreck happened, I already knew my baby was totaled. Nobody went to the hospital besides the dude that hit me. And he tried to say that it was my fault, but the insurance people, everybody was like, we don't understand how it was your fault. The way he was talking, he had like he was kind of drunk, but you know, that's the past, and let the past be in the past. So yeah, y'all, it sounds good, but oh, my baby looked so much worse than when it left me, because the front end was still standing over here. It was still kind of connected, but you know, I guess from them towing it, it just got like that. They closed the sunroof. Now the screen showing up, it's like blue instead of red.
What screen?
To start the screen. You know how you hit dry modes? You know you got dry modes that ain't popping that
blue?
up. Yeah.
Somebody might have plugged a, what do you call that shit? Damn. They had somebody out here that was messing with these cars.
Alright, y'all, so there go TK, the man back there in the back. We done did a full walk around, checked out slime. We checked it out actually twice. And make sure y'all go over to his channel and follow him. Shout it out, TK.
Oh, TK's Garage, man. You know what it is. I'm the old guy with the cane. with a bunch of old females behind me. Y'all see me on the internet.
And follow him on Instagram.